I believe it's at 12,000.
So here, what can you turn over here for the camera and let your viewers know what is it that we do? I'm over here. I'm over here.
Review my GE. You never heard my GE running before.
Okay, so you're reviewing your GE. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say to them then about the review?
It's great. I like this GE a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I think this thing might have a Matsushita compressor.
Okay.
Because it sounds like it.
Okay. So go ahead. Go with your review. Go ahead. Review it. Let people know. What are you doing? You
There's the
plugging it?
plug. Yeah.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Addie's trying to plug me. Okay. Okay.
And it's running. I don't know if the compressor will kick on. It should.
So Mr. Harris saying he's reviewing, but all we getting right now is him touching buttons. We have no idea what he's touching, what he's doing. So I don't think that.
I think this is a 12,000 BTU, which is, I think that's a normal size. Yeah, it's a normal size one. Here's your bets.
Okay. He put his face in it. I don't know why. Can you say why you put your face on it?
Because I like the air,
Oh.
how it blows.
Okay.
It's hard. Wow, I like it. You know? I like the compressor should kick on. You know?
Okay.
The other way at it. You are with the back. Turn with the face.
Let me get over here. Let me get over here.
The compressor should kick on any minute. The compressor should kick on. I think.
Well, I don't know. Let's see. So we have
Is it on cool?
It's on fan. Low. Now it's on cool high. Now it's on low cool. Okay, temp is 70. We should go all the way down to
I want to see
60.
the compressor running.
Now the cool is on low. And we have the temp at 60. But it,
Doesn't seem like
maybe
the
we should
compressor.
put it on mode high. Nope,
That's fan.
that's fan. Right there. So let's see now what happens. We have it at high cool, but I think this air conditioner might be broken, or maybe it's just starting to cool. Maybe the compressor is starting to just cool now. It takes a while,
Yeah.
but this
I
is
like this. I like this one. I like this size.
this is Adi's quick review.
I like this model, by the way.
Yeah, what model is it?
Is this a J series?
I honestly don't know. I know it's a, let's see. It's definitely a GE. It's a GE. And I have no idea what it is.
J series, it says.
Well, it's still not on, but
Diamond Christian 21's grandmother's has the same exact GE, but a slight different sound.
different sound.
Maybe the fan is the same sound. Oh, there it goes. There goes the compressor.
So there you go. The compressor just turned on. So everybody heard what it sounded like.
It
Okay.
has a Matsushita
Compressor.
compressor.
Okay.
Maybe it's actually a Rechi.
Or maybe a Rexy.
I
Okay.
don't know. Can
So-
you check if it has a Matsushita?
For that, we'll have to open up the AC, Adi.
Wow, that's cold already. I like it.
Oh, well, we're gonna say bye to your YouTube fans now. Come on.
Bye.
They seen your G. Now we gotta turn it off. Okay, so you wanna do the turning off of the G before you go? He's listening to it.
I like it.
We're gonna be going now. Bye, you don't want to show people shutting it off or what?
I don't know.
I'm gonna shut right now, Ari. Come on.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
So he shut it off. Okay, bye YouTube. This was Ari review of his GE.
On his thing.
Love ya.
Love ya.